This lesson is to show you how to find the median. I'm going to give you two different situations. In our first situation, I have an odd amount of numbers. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. There's an odd amount of numbers there. Either way, I start the same way. I have to put those numbers in order from least to greatest. So I need to go 1, and then 3, and then 4. I'm just going to put a tick mark by these so I know that I've already done them. And then I'm going to go 7. And then I'm going to go 10 and 15. And I'm just double checking to see if I have all 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh, what am I missing here? I'm missing my 9. That's okay. I'll erase right here. 9, and then 10, and then 15. Now, my next step is to find the middle number, and one of the ways I like to do this is I like to work in from the end. So take 1 off from this end and 1 off from this end. And continuing, I'll cross off the 3 and the 9, and then continuing. Uh-oh, again I forgot one of my numbers, and I'm gonna have to undo that there, and I'm going to put a 15 right here. Whoops. Let's change pens here so we have a 15. Alright, let's try this crossing out again. I'm working into the middle. There we go. There we go. And I can see now that the middle number is my 7. Okay, so the median in this case is 7. Now I start the exact same way when I have an even amount of numbers. I have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So my first number will be the 2, and then I'm going to go with the 5, and then I'm going to go with the 6, and then that's going to give me 9. There we go. Oops, we forgot our 8. That's okay. Let me erase that and go 8, and then 9, and then next is going to be 17, and 20, and 22. So again, I'm going to work into the middles. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Now, I notice that I have 2 numbers in the middle here. I'll make those nice and dark. Now, when there's 2 numbers in the middle, you have to figure out what is between, in the middle of, those 2 numbers. Well, what's in the middle of 8 and 9 happens to be 8.5. Sometimes it's a little hard to see what's in the middle of these 2 middle numbers. So when that happens, what I do is I add the 2 numbers up and I divide by 2. If I were to do that in this case, 9 and 8 is 17, and that divided by 2 still gives me my 8.5.